Hello everyone and welcome to Ghanem Marketing. Today I will show you how you can create your first successful campaign at Google Ads. So the first thing we have to do here, guys, I will go to the plus sign, new campaign. Here, guys, Google asks us choose one of these goals. My advice is for you, don't choose one of these goals. Create a campaign without a goal. Then select a campaign type. Today we're going to talk about the search campaign. Website visits. I'll write down my website. Continue. Campaign name is gonna be services. And it's gonna be pay per click. See, it works. Move this one. Even Google Display, move it. Locations, let's say I will choose here, for example, Saudi Arabia. So I'm targeting entire Saudi Arabia, and also I can exclude, for example, Jeddah. So my ad's gonna be eligible to show for entire Saudi Arabia, and I'm excluding here Jeddah. Let me show it to you. Advanced search. See, I'm targeting here for entire Saudi Arabia, and I'm excluding Jeddah. Location options. For location that you want to include show ads, people in these locations. Scroll down. Languages, if I'm writing my ads in English, so I will choose here only English. Scroll down. Budget, let's say $100. Bidding, I'm choosing clicks, and the bidding strategy is gonna be manual CPC. Scroll down. Show more settings. Ad schedule all day and ad rotation. Optimize it. Let Google optimize my ads. Site link extension. Okay. Let me show it to you how can create the first site link extension. New site link extension. Site link text. For example, I'll choose here speaking. So right down here, speaking. Description line. Let's say Google Ads. Ads with this. Launch first campaign. Final URL, it's gonna be this one. So scroll down. Here is the first site link extension. The second site link extension, guys, I will add another one. Let's say contact us. So right down here, contact us. Description 1. First description. And the second description, it's gonna be so we can touch with us. Final URL, this one, copy, view, speaking, contact us, right? Let's add a call out extension. For example, let's say, let's now learn more free lessons. For example, scroll down. Let's add another call out extension. Call extensions. For example, you can create your call extension by choose your country first. For example, we're choosing here Saudi Arabia. We're gonna write down the number. Review. This is the call extension, right? Save and continue. The first ad group, as we said, guys, gonna be click default bid for $3, and I will choose here randomly keywords. Speaking about the keywords, there is a keywords match type like a broad match, modified phrase match, exact match, and negative match. My advice is for you guys: choose broad match, modify phrase match, exact match, and negative keyword. It's is must, and don't use a broad match. Only use it when you create your remarketing campaign. So I'll choose it here as randomly. Save and continue. Okay, here I will create my ad. The final URL is gonna be pay-per-click. Line. Second headline, it's gonna be digital marketing consultant. The URL is gonna be your services, and subject is gonna be here. Description. For example, improve your website. Search. Second description is gonna be and with right. Scroll down, done, save and continue, and that's it. Your campaign is ready, and you just launched your first campaign. And thank you for watching, and see you in another videos. If you have any questions, you can go to the contact us page and fill the form. And cheers for now.